If your heating and cooling system is more than 15 years old, then a new, more modern system is going to be more economical to operate. In fact, today's more energy efficient heat pumps can perform 20 to 50% better than the old systems. If you're considering replacing the heating and the cooling system on your home, I'd take a look at electric heat pumps, because here the Georgia climate makes an electric heat pump the perfect choice, not only for heating but also cooling your home. In winter, heat pumps move heat from the outside air inside, and in summer, the process reverses. The heat pump moves hot air out of your home, offering economical cooling even during the hottest months. Heat pumps also provide a more even temperature. Frequently, gas-heated homes will have uncomfortable hot and cold spots and drier air. Let's talk for just a second about what you can do on your own to make certain that your system is running at its best. You can have better air quality and make sure that your system is running most efficiently by completing one simple maintenance task: change your filters. If you're not certain how to do that, just follow the manufacturer's instructions and locate the filter on your system. Now, first of all, turn the power off, turn the system off so that it's not running at the thermostat in your home. Once it's powered down, locate the filter. We know that it's right here. Remove the filter and check it. Most standard filters are designed to be removed and changed, or at least checked, every 30 days. And this one looks as though it's a little overdue. It's dirty and it needs replacing. Okay, now this is the new filter that's going in place of the old one. First, we want to determine the direction of the airflow. That's what this tells us on the edge of the filter. The air needs to flow through this filter from this direction, the direction of the arrow. The air comes down through this return air duct into the blower motor. So this is positioned correctly, and as that air goes through a clean filter now, it's going to provide cleaner air into the house, and it's going to take less effort for this blower motor to pull that air through and take it back up into the house. Another thing you can do, make sure that vents aren't blocked with furniture and that air can circulate back to return vents. Also, keeping doors closed to rooms that don't have returns in them will create air circulation problems, so leave those doors open. The air must flow freely for the duct system to work properly. Okay, now we're going to talk about ductwork repair. Now, generally, this is something you would leave up to a licensed heating and air conditioning contractor, but if you know you only have a small repair, maybe one small leak, this might become a do-it-yourself project. Now, check this out on the table. We've created a model to give you an example of what you may see in the attic or maybe in the basement. We're going to show you some things to look for. Right here on the side, you'll see where this connection is made. This is an unsealed joint. You're going to get a lot of wasted air coming through here, air that could be heating or cooling your home. If I were to shine a light from this side, you'd see holes all through here. So, purchase a small container of a mastic compound just like this, and using a stiff bristle brush, all you're going to do is basically paint it on, brush it on, fill it in all these holes. Once you've done the entire circumference there, look on this side, this is what it looks like when it's dried. It's a hard seal, no air is being lost through here, so make sure that all of them are sealed properly. Now this is called flex duct. On the other side of the table, I have a short piece of it to show you what you'll buy. This flex duct comes with the insulation already on it, but when you make your connection, you need to connect it properly, or it needs to be connected properly, and let me show you how that's done. You slide the flex duct from inside the sleeve over the connection, and you use a zip tie to pull it down tight so that it doesn't slip back off. Once that's connected from the inside, then you'll slide the insulated sleeve over it and use a pipe clamp type connector to hold it in place. All right, so there your connection is done properly. On the back side of the model here, let me show you a different type of duct that you might see. This is called rigid duct. Just like the name implies, it's hard, it's rigid. Typically does not come with an insulation on it, so you'll need to slide an insulated sleeve over the top of it, all the way up against your junction, and again, use a pipe clamp like this to be sure that it's fastened properly. So, if you know what you're looking for and it's a simple repair, you might be able to do it on your own. Otherwise, I'd recommend calling a licensed heating and air conditioning contractor.